Hello to all. So here I'm gonna be trying to help you on how to make a gun compatible with the Wuut magazines mod for Stalker Anomaly. So how do we start it? First of all, you will need the Notepad++, which is this program here, to open up the file, right? Let me just, nope, okay. You're going to be needing this program, and of course you're going to be needing the Wuut magazine installed in your game. Yeah. Most of all people asked about this, how to port to Provac weapon pack. Since it is a weapon pack, not only a weapon pack but a mod pack, it has a lot of files that are merged with each other. So basically these files weren't exactly compatible with each other, so Provac did patch, to make them work together. So if you want to install the Wuut magazines, I suggest you to install manually, pick up every file and drop inside and see if it overrides something, be a little bit cautious with that. Alright, so being said that, what we're going to be doing here right now. So I'm going to be doing this into my weapon pack that I'm creating, my mod pack, but you're going to be making exactly the same thing. Yeah. Let's suppose that you're ready, you've ported a gun, or you just want to make the magazines to a gun that is already in game. Where guns are located in this game? The models of the gun are located in here in meshes, and the configs of the guns are in here. You go into configs and items and weapons. As you can see here, there's a lot of things, and all these double underscore something, it's a gun, right? All these guns already have a magazine assigned to it, but I'm gonna be doing an example, right? Let's say that I want the MP14, right? Let's suppose that it doesn't have any magazine assigned to it. What am I gonna be doing? First of all, I'm gonna be opening it, double click in it, where it is, here it is, double click in it, so you're gonna be opening, and this is very important. This is the name of the weapon. The name that is gonna be, the engine will look for this name to spawn the gun. Alright, so here it is. This name is very important. PN underscore MP14. Alright. And now we're gonna be opening the file that have the Wuut magazines configs, right? Which is located in here. Here's the game data, configs, items, and here, Wuut magazines, right? You open up here, and here it is. Well, first thing I'm going to be trying to explain to you is how do you read this, this code here. Basically, this is a mag for this weapon, right? Using this ammo, right? It's based in the mag PN base, which is the base for any mag, right? And here is the group that it is associated to. This group, you can create a group, or you can use the gun and associate it to an existent group. For example, I created this USA 45, only two guns from USA that use .45 ammo. Okay, so here it is, grease gun. These are the Thompsons with the drum mag, and here's the Thompson with the stick mag, right? So let's go. First thing you're going to be doing, and let's suppose that I'm going to be creating here the M40. The M40 uses this kind of bullets, right? This must be the same kind of bullets that you're going to be seeing in here. Wait. In here. As you can see, this is the ammo group. The name of the bullets, the ammo, must be the same name into the LTX and in here. So this, if in here is different, just change it. Ammo class and here. Now it's okay. They must be the same, okay? They must match. Alright. So I'm going to be creating here, let's suppose, a group to MP14. I'm going to be copying this, and I'm going to be changing, let's suppose, I'm going to create MP40, right? And here I'm going to be assigning the guns that belong to this group. So MP14, and there's another gun here besides MP14. I think it's a variation of it. Here it is. But as you can see, this won't be needed to be inserted in here because this is a parent. I don't know exactly the name, but this file here, this weapon, is a variation of this first one. Okay, so if you assign a magazine to this one, you won't be needing to assign another magazine to this one. Okay, but let's suppose that things weren't like that. You know, you had a completely independent gun in here that uses the same magazine, the same cartridge, but wasn't exactly depending of the main gun, the first gun. You will just do this. You're going to be copying this, right, and inserting in here like this. Okay, so let's go. Let's create the file, the most essential thing. MP40. Ooh, MP40. This is more to organization. You know, you have organized code here. So since MP40 uses this kind of bullets, right, I'm gonna be searching a gun that also uses it. It's more easy to create the code. So a gun that uses these same kind of bullet, here it is. First one, here it is. I want this guy. So here you have a magazine to Beretta, which uses the base of any magazine. Assign it to the group of Beretta, then assigned to the ammo type 9x19. Okay, so we're going to be copying all of this. This part and this one. Control C. Let me get back to where I were. Here. Control V. Okay, so here you have the Beretta. Alright, the magazines for the Beretta. And now you're gonna be just changing the name. MP14. Also the same thing to here. MP40. 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 And MP40. Okay. Alright. Basically, this is already done. If you save here and enter in the game, the gun will have this magazine assigned to it. But as you can see here, there is the max mag size, which is the size of the magazine that you want. So the default here is 32, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see here. Let's check where it is. Gas, blah blah blah. Descriptions, fire. Where the hell is it? Oh, we can find that. Let's see. Size. Let's see. Here it is. Ammo mag size 32. Okay. So we're gonna be coming in here and inserting 32. Oh no. 32. Okay. And the mag size. This is kind of important because in Wuut magazines, every outfit uses a certain type of... you can assign certain sizes of magazines to a certain outfit. If you have no outfit, you cannot attach large magazines. If you have a medium outfit, you can attach one large magazines and a few medium ones. So this is kind of important if you want to attach this magazine in every outfit or no. Okay. There's another file called Wuut loadout that you can see a little bit more, as you can see here. This is the light one. You can attach 4 small magazines, 2 medium ones, and 0 large, and this goes by all the other classes of outfit, right? So here it is. Basically, this is the part, interesting part. Now, as you can see here, there's the inventory grid, which is how the item's gonna be displayed in the game, the icon of it. What you can do, you can find in-game a magazine that looks like the MP40 magazine and just track it down here in this file. Let me remember one that uses the same type. Kiparis. Where it is, where are you? Here it is, Kiparis. As you can see, you're gonna be copying these names, these numbers. 1 to inventory grid X, 6 to inventory grid Y, and 7 to this one, which is gonna be the magazine with the green dot, which means that it is ready, it is assigned to your loadout. Okay, so let's get back to our MP40. You're gonna be picking up these numbers here. Okay, 1, 6, and 7. Where it is, the ones that I'm creating right now. Here it is. So it's 1, 6, and 7. Okay, so everything is quite fine here. You already have your gun inside, but as you can see, here is the description of it, where you're gonna be adding the description of it. Of course, this is more to have a better detailed item, you know. It's not exactly something that you must do it, but you know, it's more detailed, so it looks better. You can. After a few technical problems, we are back. Okay, so I finally found it where it was. It was here. So you're gonna be getting into game data, configs, then you go into text, and eng if you want to create the items in the English language, or Rus if you want to create in Russian. So here in eng, you have the st_items_magazines. And here, you're gonna be finding all the descriptions to the magazines. Okay, so as you can see here, if I want to create, returning to the example I was giving, here it is, the MP40. If I would like to create it, I would do this. This is the description of the magazine, and this is the name of the magazine. Okay, so what I would do, let's say here, to save time, search for a gun that has the same type of ammo. Okay, this will save you some time. So copy it, Ctrl V, and again Ctrl V. You're going to be creating two codes for it. Why? Because of this, you're going to be picking up this name, ST-Mag MP40 9x19 FMJ, here, Ctrl C, and you're going to be inserting here. This is the name, string ID. This is the name you're going to be changing. You see, so this is the description of the magazine. Let's say MP14 standard MP14 magazine caliber, this one. Okay, so if you save here, you're gonna be seeing that in game the description of the magazine is changed. Now the name of the magazine, you do exactly the same thing. That's why you have doubled the section. You're gonna be picking up this and inserting here, and exactly the same thing, or you can write whatever you want in here, and that's pretty much how you do it. I hope this helped you. I'm sorry for my English. Well, any doubts I can answer you. And удачной охоты, сталкер.